Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to put a tempered glass for the Galaxy Z Fold 5G. So I've been searching for a good tempered glass for this because this is a very expensive device. I don't want to spoil the screen. So I want one for the outside, not for the inner one. The inner one is always folded, it's always protected. But for the outside I wanted something glass, not regular film. So I got this. It's a Spigen GLAStR Slim tempered glass, which is for 1,299 right now. The MRP is around 2,899. So right now it's quite cheap. So I bought this. So this comes with a film for the hinge also. So it protects the front screen and the hinge too. So we'll be taking a look at that, how to actually install it. So I've already installed it on my phone. So I'll be showing you the process. And then I'll be talking about what's good and what's not so good about the entire process or the product itself. So let's go ahead, see the installation process and then talk more about it. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. So I put the tempered glass, I put the Spigen case on it. So the case fits well. The tempered glass is case compatible, so you can see no bubbles, no nothing. There would be a lot of glare coming from the light in front, but hopefully you can see it's a perfect fit. Now one thing that you have to notice is that this one actually has a black line going on the border. It's a very thin line, but that black line actually cuts into the screen a little bit. So it's not cutting in too much, but I would have liked it if that black line was not there. It was a complete transparent tempered glass. No issues with the bubbles and stuff. The touch response is very smooth. The camera clarity has not gone down, even though the camera does not have a punch hole over here. It is covered with the glass. Even though it's covered, no problem with the clarity. Now one more thing you have to remember is, before you put this tempered glass, you will have to remove the protective film which is already over there. So I was comfortable with removing that on the outside screen, but if I have to remove it in the inside screen, I will not do it because of the folding mechanism and the folding screen. Over here, since it is a glass display and everything is glass, so I am comfortable with removing that film and putting the tempered glass. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment. And if you want to see the same video in a different language like Malayalam or Hindi, then you will find the links for that in the description, and you can watch the same video in a different language too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.